This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, so far we completed all matters of right? Like for the e-commerce part, marketing, right? Okay. Is there any doubt, Binay, so far?
Sir, customer.
Pardon, I am unable to hear your
Customer, sir.
in corporate office.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Which one?
Sir, customer. Added it, yes, added it. We will, customer will start, sir. We have ended the inventory part.
Rajya?
No, customer completed, right, Vinay?
Yeah,
Customers completed. Inventory is pending. Even
yeah. On
stores
inventory pen.
login, he wants to. With the
Yeah,
store login, path has to tell.
Binay, Binay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So it might be in weekends you lost it when we last talked because we already completed a customer's menu from corporate office. Vinay,
Yes, sir.
you are getting that or not?
No, yes, sir. Just,
Is there any doubt in customer screen? Then we can wait for that. Otherwise, I will start in regular store.
you can start, sir, inventory. No, no issue.
Okay. Is there any doubt? Then please ask me, right? Because I need to.
Sure,
You are
sir.
aware of all modules, right?
Sure.
Okay. I am going to our regular store. 31620. Might be Rajya aware of some of the functionality of inventory
Yeah.
as you already working into that in
Mm,
regular store.
yes.
Right here you can see that ring cells.
Ring
That
sales.
menu visible over here or enable here, right? We
Ring
will
sales wholesale is visible only for corporate office.
no, it's visible
No.
based on store settings, right? As I earlier said,
Mm,
we provide some license to
mm.
some store. So if
Okay, okay.
have
This.
some license option enabled in that store, then it's enable that, right?
Uh, yes. Yes.
Binay, your webcam is on and our conference is recording, right? So please sit properly.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat that?
I am saying that our conference meeting is recorded and your webcam is on. So please try to sit properly because you are seeing over here some leg, right? It will be
Okay.
recorded. Okay, let's start with the inventory one. Here you can see the list, right? Inventory list. As I already showed to
Yeah.
you, defined lookup screen in our administration page, administration defined lookup setting. Remember or forget that?
No, sir. There is, sir, inventory part.
Yeah, so from administration, global setup, we have field for define lookup. In define lookup, whatever we define in inventory lookup, it will be appear in this inventory list, right? If I select department vendor, then it will be appear in our list, right? So I just added two columns into the inventory. Great. Vendor and department.
Department. Okay, great.
Okay. So you can see the list over here: descriptions, queue, price, size, quantity, vendor, and department. For size also we have one setting in global setup. What kind of setting we are enable into store, it will be so over here, right? If we disable size in the inventory tab, then it will be visible false from this. Let me start with the add part. Okay. Following this pop-up,
Option.
because I already explained that we have an option in corporate office, enable corporate lockdown, right? I already
Yes.
explained that. So if that setting is on, then store unable to add or edit inventory, right? So let me disable first that option from corporate office only.
Yes.
This one, right?
Yes.
Just saving it. Okay. 1 6.
They're raining.
Here not. Might be there. Now I am trying to add the inventory, right? When we are setting out from the corporate office, then it will allow to add inventory. So you can count times over here. Please read the brief description and let me know when it's ready.
You can add any one of these, right? I can add the inventory or service coupons and here. Here we can, whatever
Yeah,
we select the service.
just Rajesh, please just read that. I will explain you, right? Just read the
Okay.
brief description over there. Let me know once you read entire whole script, right? And then also you please confirm that once you read. Can I complete it?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, completely.
Rajya,
Yeah.
let me start with the inventory first item type, right? So here it's mentioned as standard item that's sold at the register, received by staff, can be placed purchase order and allow the most detailed way of monitoring item. That means a regular item, like we are running some mall, right? So we require to provide some grocery in our department. Then we require to track that how many grocery, how many types of grocery we are providing to the customer, what kind of grocery items we are receiving from the vendor, that kind of item, right? That is a normal inventory. So whenever we select the inventory type over here, whatever SKU we write over here will be assigned. same item. That's unique ID, whatever ID we are going to assign to that inventory type, it will be throughout our system, it will be tracking the same, right? As you can see over here, purchase order, receipt order. So whatever in our system we are affecting with that ID only, right?
Yeah.
I'm saying is and so it will open up few details within inventory details screen, right? Here we require to mention description like grocery, this department, and it will ask for style, then size, then vendor, right? Here vendor ID, right? From the corporate office, we have one setting for add or edit vendor detail from inventory. So whenever that option is enabled, then it will allow to add or edit vendor detail over here. We are just writing up the vendor ID over here with some digits. If we are tracking with the same SKU, already we place an order to vendor, right? So last receipt from that vendor, it will date appear over here only. For quantity on hand, we just try to enter over here and reorder normal quantity. I am providing the note. Here we have some field, right, as average cost, markup margin, and price. From price, we are calculating the markup margin from the item and average cost. Like here, if I write as 121, it will be calculated accordingly whenever we are selling that item, right? Then only we can. Then we have the discount group over here. Select any kind of discount group whenever we scan the item in
Voice is breaking.
now able to audible or still breaking?
Yes, continue.
Okay. Yeah, here what I am saying is discount group, right? Whatever we selected discount group over here, it will be affected into the ring cell space. So whenever we scan this item, it will be work in ring cell same accordingly, right? If we have some festival season, then we are offering the buy one get one. So this item will have the provision of discount group. Whenever we select into ring cell, this SKU we consider as a buy one get one. It will be at the item name process only. Then we have sales tax, right? I already explained the tax option in our setup menu. So whatever percentage we decided into sales tax, it will be affected with that. Right? Then we have promotion offer from particular date to like flash sale in e-commerce, right? So we have particular sales going on from this date to this date. Then this price will be changed. Like we have 150 instead of 121, it will be showing $150 for particular this date range only. If any customer going to purchase this item in particular date range, then it will be priced accordingly this, right? So based on this price, it will be also considered as a markup margin for promotion. Then for particular item, we can also consider as a discount or coupon. So either from this or this will be offer, right? Either we can offer discount, either we can offer promotion. So it will be checked first. If the promotion apply, then it's not allowed for this. Then we have print barcode. Binay work upon the barcode part, right? You are aware of that. For particular item, we require to print the barcode. Then we require to print here. Then sell on internet means this flag is important for synchronize the data, the e-commerce flag. So whenever we selected this option, then only this will be synchronize the item into the e-commerce flag. Otherwise, it will not reflecting. Then we are clicking on touchable, we appear in the touch menu. Then after we have item script over here, so whatever script we require to mention in this item, then we can just write down as according to note, right? So it will be saying that. So I just added one item as a ABC001, right? So whenever we have promotion in that item, then this section will be as a claim. So this one is add or edit section. So whenever we require to add or edit item, it will be appear over here. For barcode, we have another option over here, add with. As I earlier mentioned that when we click on print barcode over here, then add over here multiple barcode with the particular item. So for your item barcode over here, will be print for that particular item. So details one is the same, but it's not editable, right? It's only readable
Yes, Shiva.
format. So whatever data we enter into that screen, it's showing us here section. As I earlier mentioned that we have a provision for e-commerce platform. So if store is enabled with e-commerce platform, then we are showing this tab. Otherwise, this tab is not visible. Online store. If particular store having license of e-commerce, then only we are showing this tab online store. And whatever item we selected with sell on internet, then only we can go with the online store. So for e-commerce, we require two flags. One is the e-commerce store. Also, we require one item or any item studying on internet route. So here we two options: intro data. Second one is, as we mentioned that we have an e-commerce platform with us. We are provide some information for particular item. In when you are going to physical store, they are providing any kind of image to you, kind of item will, right? Or you are purchasing this kind of item because you are going to physically buy that item. But in e-commerce platform, you are visible. You are showing that item from the e-commerce platform. We require to put some image for particular item. Like we are showing some images like Maggie, some cold drinks like that. So we require to upload that images into our server. Then only we can show that base images in our. So for uploading image, we provide some section over here as an image. So here one option given, upload image to e-commerce. So whenever you select that option, it will ask uploading image. Whenever you select a particular image, and just upload, then it will be appearing there, right? For example, I get here, whatever save in my desktop. I just uploading that image first. Let's wait for that. Yeah, that image is uploaded, right? So for this item, we have this kind of image, right? We can remove also after uploading from here. So image deleted. People we provided this kind of image. Sorry, no image available when the item is not mapped with images, right? For image, as you are, if image is not available, then we have alter tag over here. For image caption also we have, that is a image section, right? Then we have link in about, right? You can see these links. See like extended description and image from database. So this link will provide us. We uploaded image, right, for particular store. Like I am running the one store, wine store. We also running store as a wine store, right? We have some brands in common in our store. So in our software, we had a provision to use same image across store, right? So whatever we uploaded so far, we are showing the list over here for particular item, right? Item will be in the list or no?
Yeah.
We just mentioned as a A. So far we have few items with A. So it's highlighted over images, right?
Yeah.
And some for kind of description, because in e-commerce platform we require to provide some description in their site and also image, right? Then user are also aware of that item which he or she going to purchase from our e-commerce. So whenever we selected over here, it's automatically copy the image and the description. So it will be uploaded over here. See that, right? Also, whatever we selected with description, it's also appear whenever we see into the e-commerce platform. Whatever description with that image, you can see in the web store data, right?
Yes.
So data is completed. I given one example by uploaded image manually, and second one uploaded from our database of images. Here we have few options like staff pick, new addition, special comments, return policy, handling search terms, right? So whenever we click on staff pick, that means it will be picked by our one of the staff member, right? Then we have some addition, means we have some revision with the item. Particular they provide some new addition, then we can also mention that some drink recipes or some kind of new additional item with the original item, right? So we can write over here. We also mention some comments like for return policy. E-commerce platform have 7 days. E-commerce platform providing as a 30 days return policy. So whatever days we define over here, it will allow to return to the particular customer to our e-commerce platform. So it will be refundable in that policy. For shipping policy, we are charging customer for a particular shipping, right? So we are integrated for delivery services with our e-commerce, and whatever basic charge will be available for that our shipping the store. Handling surcharge means like uh, they providing some fees or some extra like service. Whenever you visit some restaurant, they are providing some service charge, right? So government has to review that. It makes as a provisional or wrong. Whenever we require or some store require some charges which cover some expense that they can handle as a surcharge. So this is the surcharges. You can find out from there. Here we have then we upload this kind of data to the particular item. We save that as a EBC001. Then after we have, like I already mentioned, that whatever item with particular date range, then we are showing that date over here only. Particular date range. There is no cell with this item, right? So it's showing like that. Then we have purchase history. Same, so might be not. But this one is from vendor when we are purchasing the item, right? So whenever we purchase item, a particular SKU, then it is showing date time invoice, starting quantity on hand, quantity we ask for purchase, cost, individual unit price, right? Then percentage and vendor. And security log. If we edited or add some data, right, in inventory section, then we require to trace that which employee updated any item. So let me select this one. Yeah. So here you found that deposit field is with hand, right? User is a that corporate one, right? Because previously it was enabled as a corporate lockdown. So regular store unable to edit or add, right? Disable that option before I started this study. So it will allow us. So previous record with the corporate office for security law. For all menu will be same for other type. We already explained as the inventory type I. Now second one is the non-inventory item. Non-inventory item is which kind of item, like we are seeing or we are showing some items nearby the close center, right? The station billing center, right? Like they put some 5 stars, some chocolates for attracting some customer, right? So they have some miscellaneous item in the store. They are not going to trace for particular profit or loss. They are just tracking the, not going to track down. They are just putting that item beside the cashing counter, right? So customer can purchase if they want. So that kind of item we are showing as a non-inventory item. So it will be flagged as a non-inventory item, right? So we are not tracking down the item. And then we have some services, right? If we are running some electronic modes, then we are providing some installation service. Then we have some small facility as a gift wrap, right? So we can put gift wrap, we can mark as a service, right? So if we providing some delivery, gift wrapping, installation, then it will be considered as a service only. But we require to track that as a service item, right? So here we given some item as a service item. Then we have some coupon option, right? As I earlier mentioned in admission for coupon. So store required to create that coupon first, right? And only we can provide coupon to the customer, so they can have, right? To allow the clerks to apply coupon against an item by a fixed dollar amount. So whatever dollar amount or percentage added in the coupon item, then it will be. So when we scan we just select that coupon item, you can see this coupon over here, right? For particular percentage and ratio. So this kind of coupon facility for coupon also we have a provision for apply the promotion. Let me check this pop-up option because it's coming as a blank. Instead of it will be provide some coupon type, right? I am unable to continue with that because we want to select a particular type of the, right? So let me check once. I will for the same. Okay, this kind of facility for whatever we selected over here, and this coupon will be generated from the coupon menu only. So while we created the coupon, we require to decide the fixed dollar amount, whatever value we accept, we selling that customer, and customer comes to us provide us coupon, right? So will be deducted or it will be deducted from
Where we select coupon type? It's showing alert
ad. Yeah, from
here
ad.
itself.
Yeah, we select the coupon, right?
Yeah,
So if inventory mark as a coupon,
I
and if I just click on SN SKU, SN SKU means it will automatically generate one SKU, right, from the maximum value of the inventory.
okay. Then
Okay,
new ID
so
will
it
be
will auto incremented. So whatever last value plus one. But when I am unselect this one, I am just putting down some value over here, right? Then you already found that this SKU already exists.
exist.
We just created before this, right?
Okay.
That's not.
Can we give new name? Not
Yeah,
existed name.
yeah. You can give new name, right? I selected ABC Chicken.
Uh,
It will be right now from here. we have Kit Club option, right? You are aware of Kit Club?
Sorry.
You are aware of Kit Club?
No, it's a group of things. No.
Yeah, that's true. Group of things. As you can see the image, right? There are multiple drinks are available in the basket, right? Otherwise, I have some few things over here. So like this, we have one kit. Another one is this one. You saw both of this, right? If I am selling both together with multiple type of item, right? Both are different things. And if I am selling together, then it will be considered as a kit cup. So that contain multi items in gift basket, right? So it allows us for multi item with one kit club. So here I am go for the continue. In kit club, we have few details additional with the normal inventory. As you can see over here, add items menu. So whatever sub item we selected for a particular kit club, it will be attached into the main gift, right? This is the inventory list what we already had, right? So whatever item I require to attach in this kit club, I just need to select over here. It will be affected over here. But it is a beneficial if I am scanning this item in the ring card.
Number of items.
Yeah, number of item will be together as a bunch of one item, right? So it will be considered as a one item only, but we have three item in the box,
Yeah.
right?
So if we want to make two items, then there's two same items I want to give.
Two same item. Which
Same
two?
product
Yes.
he wants to give to
Means it
double
will be
time.
quantity two quantities. Yes.
I didn't get you. In the same
Sorry.
kit club? You are asking for the same kit club?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so you require to
Suppose
select
in a
the,
bouquet, no, we have same type of flowers maybe along with the other flowers.
yeah. So it's allowed to add that. You can show over here, right? 140 have the two same item.
Since you have to add two types, not a space for your quantity.
कि नहीं वो समझ में नहीं आया, हिंदी में थोड़ा बता सकते हो?
Can we add that to quantity?
मतलब
We can
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
increase
कि
the
अगर हमको
quantity.
एक ही
नहीं, वो क्वांटिटी टू आप नहीं कर सकते हो, सिंगल सिंगल आपको करनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, वो अभी हमने इसमें प्रोविजन नहीं दिया है, मतलब क्लाइंट ने ये स्पेसिफिकेशन में ऐसा दिया था कि जब आप एड आइटम करते हो तो आपको इन्वेंट्री लिस्ट आ जाए, यहाँ से आप उसको ये सिलेक्ट करते हो जो भी आइटम, वो डायरेक्टली ऐड हो जाएगी, आपको वो क्वांटिटी का प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं आएगा। हाँ, लेकिन एज अ किट क्लब आपको मल्टीपल आइटम भेजनी है, तो क्या है कि जब आप किट क्लब करते हो तो फिर आप क्वांटिटी उसकी दो कर सकते हो जब सेल होता है तो। लेकिन ये जो आइटम ऐड होगी वो सिंगल सिंगल होगी, उसमें हम क्वांटिटी नहीं इंप्रूव। यदि आपको दो ऐड करनी है तो फिर आपको दो बार उसको सिलेक्ट करके डालना पड़ेगा। Right, other items are same as you can see that style, department, last added, last sold, and notes, sales tax, average cost, markup, margin, promotion date, touchable, right? For clickers, all items same. Along with this menu also, right? Details, online store, sales history, purchase history, security log. Only thing is different. We can sell out multiple items in one kit, right? That's only difference. Or like no item. Let me add once. Alright. Can now I am seeing it, right? 99253. So when I go to the ring search screen, when the customer comes, we scan the item from the barcode. So it will be appear over here. Here you see Vinay, right? For adding the quantity of the particular main key, not the sub item. So we can sell out two items, two key items, right? Here it's added multiple times because I enter that. Okay, and this one. So when we generating an invoice, instead of three items, it will be considered as a one item. So that is the benefit of the for the store. We also found that price will be taken, right? Item will be taken. So that's having the multi item. Whenever we complete over here in transactions, yes, sell. So it will be generated for one Kit Club item only.
Is crystal report printing or normal print? Normal.
Pardon?
The receipt which you are printing is crystal report receipt or a normal receipt? Means that you are generating that window dot something print.
Normal window dot print. Or it's HTML designing, right? In ESPX only we design as a HTML page. So it's showing as a table of command in the page only. So far we completed with club also, right? Then we have for, right? For means what happens, we have some wine shops and some customer ask for the contact, right? So we provide that for large, that kind of stuff. So whenever we provide that kind of stuff, then we require to select the for, right? When so we are in that. So they have some small bags, large bag. They accordingly they are sell out to the customer. But when we give that customer, then we need to mark that for item for selling customer, right? After that, we have multi-pack. Same as Kit Club, we have multi-pack option. We have some single six packs item, right, with the same item. Like we are purchasing some cool drinks, we have bunch of Fanta, bunch of Thumbs Up, bunch of cans, right? So that will be considered as a multi-pack only. So same in the multi-pack also we have option for add sub item, right? You can find over here no sub items on the site currently. From view edit preview, we require to select the master item, then Here you can say is average cost per case only available or multiple, right? Right. So whenever we sell out that for particular one case, it will be considered as a per item, right? That is that. Here also after this the master item, whatever item or sub item we are mentioning over here, we consider as a single multi-page item, right? Right. Here we also provide the sell on internet, searchable, or because in multi-pack we have some different categories. So we have different. Here from the all sub items we can choose accordingly. What category we require to choose. But this will be applicable for entire items. We have the Minibar, delivery, all other e-commerce platforms. Whatever price we discuss or decided over here, and it will be appear into that platform for selling out to the customer. So this is the multi-pack. Same as a kit cup, you can found as a single item. Carrying is the initial, right? So far these all item types are considered. Any doubt in this inventory type?
No.
Raja?
Clear.
Raja, is there any doubt?
No, no, confirm.
So after that, we have few options as a group edit. We can bulk update data, right? Entire store. So we provide one setup wizard over here. You can go through with the setup wizard one by one as a description or from vendor, whatever criteria you selected over here, it will be showing all items, right? So I'm just putting the criteria as a all. So it will be appear with entire store inventory. So this store having the 10145 items so far. So when we click on next, will we provide fields, right? So whatever inventory fields we have, we can update directly from here. So we are generating the dynamic query on the field name, and whatever value we assign over here, it will be directly updated into the store inventory, right? You can add the multiple fields, distance, you can assign as this one, price, right? So I added two fields for modification. So it will be updated in the that store inventory because I didn't select any filter or criteria. Like we have some client request over here to update data in the store for entire inventory, right? We have the permission for this that, right? The store can also edit that or customer or our client directly view into the system the data. No need to start anything. That's why we only provide provision. Because as you are in USA, we have some festive seasons and they are reducing some price, right? Some like Black Friday or Christmas special, they are reducing price or they are applying some discount or promotion, right? So we need to update them. We can directly update over here. The option of group edit. From inventory list, it means it is stock item. I am not aware from where I am getting the message. Please mute that. Otherwise, mute yourself if you are unable to. Raja and Vinay, I am hearing some voice, background noise. Mute that voice, otherwise mute yourself. Yeah, thank you. Okay, after that we have some option over here, print barcodes, right? As I earlier mentioned that barcodes option we have. So whatever item we are printing from the barcode, then it will appear over here, right? Sorry, I click on the Chrome instead of that window. So one item will be there as a kit club. So whenever we click on that item,
Battery low.
okay, enhance lookup and touch setup, right? For touch setup, we have the touch screen
Battery low.
as I earlier mentioned that we have some touch menu. So particular item we require to do some setting, then we are showing that setup for particular color, right? What kind of color we require to do that. Then we have show coupons. So from the list we are showing the coupons only, right? As I earlier show the field in inventory list, we are assigning some discount group, right? So this is a discount group master from where we can add or edit discount group, particular the either in the percentage base or quantity base. Let me wait for the screen. System developer. पाँच बज गए तेरी मीटिंग है yeah, a discount group, right? From this screen we can add or edit and delete, right? So when we have the add option over here, we have the mode from percentage and price, we can decide that, right? If we have the name of the discount like festive discount, whatever price we given for particular item, then it will be applicable, right? From the quantity 1, quantity 2, whatever quantity you assign. So when that quantity falls, then only this discount group will be appear, right? Then we have two scenario over here for apply this discount group. One is a discount group assigned to that item as a festive discount. Another we require to check with the quantity one. Then it will be reduced or deducted price as a 5. Whatever comment we can put over here. And memo means whatever memo or notes we require to provide for the particular item, then we have that, right? So we allow for the 200 characters only. Like here you can see as a comment and a memo like this, right? So is there any doubt so far for edit more in the inventory part?
No, but
Is there any doubt so far?
no, continue.
No, but
Okay, so I completed the add edit more part and this all menu, right? From the inventory.
yes.
From tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. only, we are scheduling that because we have one common area over here as a conference room and lunch area. So we are unable to manage that all employees completed their lunch during our for our meeting, right? So we are
Okay,
unable to arrange
2:30.
that. So from tomorrow we are going for the 2:30. So we have the meeting on 2:30 for this
Okay.
session. So I will explain this further as a receive still ordering alert, typical mass promotion, print mass label, beverage media, and store transfer on tomorrow, right? So tomorrow might be inventory menu, enter inventory menu will be completed. Then after we can go with the marketing center, and then after we can go with the research part, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then bye for today. See you on tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.